It's a great honor to have with us today Patricia Makokis, who will speak to us later in introducing the documentary after our gathering, but to invite her now to speak a few words to us, and we bring greetings and we welcome you, Pat. Thank you very much.
As was said, my name is Pat Makokis and I live at Saddle Lake Cree Nation. So many years ago, probably 25, I went back to school. I went and I did a doctor's degree. A doctor's degree in education because I was a school principal. And in the message, we are all one, and that we need to see each other, what I found out was we were not seeing each other. Collectively coming together to have a better understanding of what the treaty relationship is. And that when we come into this space together, we're here to understand that. This TP talk and to capture the stories of the folks that we have. Those stories can be teachers for all of us. As we reflect upon the documentary, we need to go within ourselves and think about, what is this documentary about? What is it teaching me? What do I walk away with? What are my responsibilities to move this further? Because we are all called to do the work.